let me show you how you can build an AI appointment setter for Instagram DM specifically. Now, one disclaimer, you can also use this AI appointment setter for Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, and on multi-channel platforms essentially. So what we're using here is we're using a Pointwise, and with a Pointwise we'll create AI appointment setter, and then we will place it with Go High Level on Instagram. Go High Level will also act as our CRM, and don't worry, I will explain everything in detail on how you can set this up for yourself. Now, both a Pointwise and Go High Level can be found linked in the description. We have free trials specifically made for you, so you can kind of go in there and see if this is even something you would want to try out. Now, if you want to follow along, the first thing you want to do is click on Get Started. And then here you want to register with a Pointwise, which we already did. Then we want to go and we want to integrate this with Go High Level. Now, copy the snapshot link right here and make sure to click on the Go High Level link that you have below and make sure to log in. Now, Go High Level has two different views. It has an agency view, which is this view right here, and we have a sub-account view. A sub-account represents your business. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to switch to your sub-account. But in order to switch to your sub-account, you want to go to your sub-accounts right here. Now, once you click sub-accounts, you want to click Create Sub-Account. And here you will be able to select a template. For example, I'm a marketing agency owner, so I can select marketing agency here. So I can just click Select and Continue. And obviously it needs to be on a regular account. Select and continue. Once I do this, I need to find my agency here. So I will go Fuel Digital, okay? And then I need to go here and click this. Now, once I click this, I'll need to just go and submit my first name, last name, email, and everything right here. And I want to click if this is my account or my client's account, okay? From there, what you want to do is you want to paste that link that we copied from a Pointwise right here. And while you logged in Go High Level, hit enter, and you will have it right here. Yes, import now. And this is just the integration, a Pointwise to Go High Level. And as you can see right now, you have your snapshot. Now, you need to import this snapshot in your sub-account. So you want to go to your sub-accounts and go to the sub-account right here, Manage Client. And then here, Actions, Load Snapshot, and make sure you select the Pointwise snapshot, hit Proceed. Once you hit Proceed, you will be able to go in your sub-account, and then you need to go to your settings, custom values, and then here you have a Pointwise API key and a Pointwise client ID. So go to a Pointwise, copy the API key here, and you want to hit Edit, and paste it right here and hit update. Now, I already did this for API key and a Pointwise client ID. Make sure you do it as well. From there, you hit next and connect to Go High Level. Once you click connect to Go High Level, you will need to select your sub account. So make sure you select your sub account, which in this case, for me, it's called Tutorials Hub. So make sure you connect the same sub account if you have multiple sub accounts. Once you connect this, you will have this checked on or checked marked. From there, we want to go and create our first AI agent. So we go to Copilot and we create new AI agent or AI appointment setter. So in this case, this is for my business. As I mentioned, if you clicked on your sub account and if you clicked for my clients, then do for my clients here. But if you clicked for my business, click for my business. So I'll click this. My business name is going to be Fuel Your Digital. This is my agency. And then here, as you can see, I can go and I can type in my website. I'll also copy this website and make sure you copy this website for later. Analyze the website. So the scan is complete. Now it's asking us for our services in detail. So what we can do is either we can paste our response here, or I go to ChatGPT and I tell it, give me all the services that my company has. And then I put my website here, and ChatGPT will give me everything I need to fill in for my particular AI appointment setter. I can copy here and I can go to a Pointwise and paste it, hit enter. And then I can go to AI books appointments. So in here, I just click AI books appointments because I want my AI to be able to book appointments for me. via Instagram, and we will integrate Instagram later on. And right now what you want to do is you want to go back to Go High Level, and you want to go to calendars, and you want to create a calendar. Go to calendar settings and go to calendars and create a new calendar here. So make sure the calendar is personal booking if you're an online business. If you're a service-based business, go to service booking right here. So this is very important that you set up, because as you can see, Appointwise is actually telling us select your calendar. So you need to select our calendar. So in this case, I'll select my calendar here, and I'll turn off the follow-ups because the follow-ups are being done automatically already with Appointwise and Go High Level. So click here, and this will build our entire AI Appointwise or AI Appoint Setter in the Appointwise platform. So as you can see, this will take like a couple of seconds. It's very fast and it's very customizable, as you will see in a second. But as you can see, this is 100%. It's done. We view the agent. And here, as you can see, we have everything in one place. Now, this AI Appointment Setter works on a couple of different key things. So you have a Go High Level tag, as you can see. And this Go High Level tag is something that we will need later on in order for this to work, okay? So as you can see, the tone, we can adjust the tone if we want here. For example, empathetic and supportive. We can adjust the prompt, which I already did, but you can go to the disqualification criteria. You can choose the language, typos per conversation if you want to make it more human. You can choose these as well, which are really cool. And then you can save the prompt. I always go here and I adjust these by this particular settings, because this is the best settings, or these are the best settings for AI appointment setting. And then I go here, I put 8 seconds, and I put 5 seconds as the response delay, just to make it more human. Next up, conversation. This is where you can change your initial message, qualification questions, and follow-ups. And you can also adjust the follow-ups timing here. Configurations should already be done for you because we already selected our calendar that we set up right here in Go High Level. Knowledge base is already set up. Again, we don't need frequently asked questions. You can add them, but it won't really make your AI agent that smarter. And then tasks are already done here. It says we have duplicate actions, so we can remove the duplicates here, and this will remove the duplicates for us, okay? So now we have everything in one place. We can hit save. And now we can obviously test this AI if we want. So if you want, make sure to test it before you launch it. I'll test this later, and I'll launch this in Go High Level. To launch this in Go High Level, you actually need to go to Go High Level. So don't click this. This is just going to give you a video. You want to go to Go High Level, go back here, go to automation. And in here, you want to click Got It and click on this folder. This is a folder that Appointwise created in Go High Level. So click AAV or, just click that. And by the way, before you click that, you go to Contacts and make sure that you add all of your contacts on a smart list, okay? Because you would be able to click all of these, or in this case, you would need to import your leads here via CSV file. Once you have your leads in, this is how it's going to look like, okay? And from there, you want to click on this Trigger AI automation, which is under the automations. And this is how it looks like right here. So currently for you, it will look like this. So if I delete this particular node, let's see if I can delete this just so I can show you. Delete action. So you will actually have something different. Let me actually go back and let me show you. So for you, you will have this without a condition. You will just have turn on AI and send response to AI. So what you need to do is you need to add a trigger. So one trigger, add a customer reply channel. And here you want to go to Instagram DM, okay? So you want to save this. And anytime a customer replies to Instagram DM, you want to add a tag. So it will be customer replied. Ignore these triggers right here. I will delete this trigger, by the way. So you have one trigger, then you have a tag, add a contact tag, and a tag needs to be added from your AI agent, which is this tag right here. So you add that tag here, click that, hit save, and then you have customer replied, in Instagram DM, add a tag. A tag is this tag, and then you have turn on AI and send response to AI. Don't ignore the condition. This is for multiple different triggers. We only have one trigger for now. So it goes trigger, customer replied from Instagram DM, add a tag. This is our tag. And then we have turn on AI and send response to AI. From there, hit publish, save, and then you can try to message from another account to your Instagram account. By the way, if you don't have Instagram connected, you can go back here and you can go to your, let me actually find this. On the marketing side, you have, you have here socials and then add Instagram. So just connect your Instagram. You can also go to settings. Sometimes they're changing the integration and sometimes you can find it even here, but I don't think, you have Facebook actually, so you can connect it here. And then you just want to connect your Facebook, and Facebook will be connected to your Instagram as well, as you can see. So you just need to select the pages. So this is actually the correct way to integrate Instagram. And that's pretty much it. That is going to work. Obviously, make sure to test out the Appointwise appointment setter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to test this out, we have a 14-day free trial for Appointwise and 30-day free trial for Go High Level. So make sure to check out the links below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.